Welcome to the unboxing of Versatile Woodpecker Implant X. As you can see, it comes in a complimentary sturdy aluminum case. This is the main control unit with a wide touchscreen. It comes with a multifunctional foot control. It has a small box with LED motor with cord which is fully autoclavable any number of times. Here you can see implant reduction handpiece with 20:1 gear reduction ratio reduces the motor speed during critical implant procedures. This is the handpiece holder. Here is the infusion bottle holder. It comes with 4 number of disposable water tubings. It has an adapter with charging cord for easy charging. The Implant X comes with 10 pieces of tubing clamps. This is motor O-rings. Woodpecker DTE also comes with 2 fuses for the main unit. Now we proceed with the installation. Firstly, connect foot control and lock it at the foot control port. Then connect the power cord to the power cord port. Now connect the motor cord to the port in front of the unit. Ensure that this red dot on the unit and the cord to be inserted match each other. Next, connect the motor with the handpiece. You can place the handpiece on the handpiece pad. Connect the infusion bottle holder in the slot on the top of the main unit. Now connect the saline bottle on the infusion holder. Attach the water tubings to the external irrigation port on the handpiece. The tubings pass through the water irrigation pump and attach to the saline bottle for irrigation.